Pacific Northwest Suburban Homesteading has its first sponsor. A special thanks to Out of Air. They have sent us some samples of their product for us to test out. If you're interested in purchasing another product after you watch this video, there is a special discount that is good until June 30th for 10% off. And if you decide to purchase anything, we get a small commission from it. So the exciting part here is the box has arrived. Scott, the homestead spouse, has already cut it open for me. And let's see what we got. This is very exciting. So first of all, what we have is 8-inch by 100-foot vacuum sealer roll. These are really nice because vacuum sealer rolls means that you can customize the size of your bags. It's very exciting. We also have 11-inch by 100 vacuum sealer rolls. Lots of really great stuff here. I mean, 100 feet is a lot. That should keep me in trouble for a while. And, ooh, look at this. We have a package of 50 each of pint, quart, and gallon sizes. Ooh, I want to see what those look like. These, let's see, so pint, quart, gallon. Let's look at the smaller ones. That should be easier to work with. Oh, those are nice. They have little notches on them. That is awesome. That means you don't need scissors or a knife to cut them open. Nice big writing area. That's nice. Imagine the others the same, but you know, while we're doing this, we might as well open all of them. Because we can. So we've got quart size. They also got little markings on them, which is nice. So you have, this is like probably the fill line because it's below the notch. Yeah, the big ones. Just the, here we go. But these are big. That's nice. Those also have the marks on them. Almost forgot. Got so excited about the pre-cut bags. I forgot all about opening up our big rolls. Okay, so cutter included. That's nice. Open here to open, let's see, open here to access cutter, okay? Gotta be smarter than the box. I'm not entirely sure that I am. That must be for, oh, I see how this works. Two college degrees and, you know, be defeated by a box. Since it's tore, I'm just gonna tear the rest of it off. Or scissors. Well, kitchen shears to be accurate. There we go. Oh, these little tabs. Pull the tape off. This is rather well-designed packaging, even if it was somewhat defeating of me. You pull it out, and oh, I see. So you put it to size and then you cut it. I don't want to waste any of it, so be able to. It's got the cutter in there. Okay, well, that's very cool. Because you never see me cut wrapping paper, but a straight line is just not something that happens with me and scissors. Now that I've done one of them, I should be able to figure this one out a lot easier. So those perforations are not quite what I would like, so I'm going to cut this one off too. My compulsion to tidiness does not allow for me to have jagged things. Okay, and this has the same little green tabs. Okay, so now we've unboxed them and now we get to go use them. I'm excited to be working with Out of Air. I really like their vacuum sealer bags and I think you will too. Watch for our video on vacuum sealer later this month in which we explore some of the many uses for this preservation method. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, be curious, keep an open mind, and never stop learning.